Dear friends, in class 9, we have 6 chapter lines and angles. And short example number 3 is, in figure OP, OQ, OR, OS are 4 rays. Prove that angle POQ. Let us try to understand this. OP, OQ, OR and OS are the 4 rays, and POQ means this angle. Angle POQ plus angle QOR plus this angle plus SOR means this angle, and angle POS means this angle from this side. Or sum of all 4 angles is 360. This is what the question asked. We have to prove that sum of the measures of all these 4 angles is 360. Now, how to prove? To prove this, extend any one of the rays. We are going to extend. We will extend this OQ rays backward. This is PQRS. So I will take the vertex T. So extend ray OQ backwards and let us name it as OT. So here solution, we are given OP, OQ. Given things are OP, OQ, OR and OS are 4 rays. This is what is given starting from one vertex. Now we are asked to prove. That angle POQ plus angle QOR plus angle SOR plus angle POS is equal to 360 degrees. Now for this, I have done. In proof, I am first going to draw construction. Construct ray OT behind the ray OQ. So construct ray OT such that T dash O dash Q. Please note, this can be written as, this is to be read as O is between T and Q. So we have to construct ray OT such that O is between T and Q. Or you can say extend ray OQ backward and name it OT. So this is what is the construction is. Now consider angle POT plus angle POQ. Consider here angle POT plus angle POQ is equal to 180 degrees. Please note, here you can say that OP ray stands on the line PQ. Here reason is OP ray OP stands on line PQ. Since these are opposite rays, they form a line. Ray OP stands on line TQ, and we have just studied in axiom 1 that if the ray stands on a line, then sum of the adjacent angle is 180 degrees. So here POT and POQ are adjacent angles. Angle POT and angle POQ are adjacent angles. Are adjacent angles. Hence the sum is 180 degrees. Also angle TOS and angle QOS. Angle TOS plus angle QOS is also equal to 180 degrees. Reason is the angles form linear pair. Angles forming linear pair are supplementary. Angles forming linear pair. Linear pair are supplementary. You can understand this. This is a ray, line, and two adjacent angles forms a linear pair, and if the angles form a linear pair, then their measures, sum of the measures is 180 degrees. Now if you add equation 1 and 2, adding equation 1 and 2, you will get angle POT plus angle POQ plus angle TOS plus angle QOS is equal to 180 plus 180 is 360 degrees. Now see, POT plus TOS. POT plus TOS. Try to understand this. POT plus TOS. These are adjacent angles with a common ray OT, so it can be added. Now angle POT plus angle TOS. Angle POT plus angle TOS is equal to angle POS. Angle POS, I have added these two angles. Others I am writing as it is. Angle POQ plus angle QOS is equal to 360 degree. This I can write. Reason is angle POT and angle POT and angle TOS are adjacent angles. Hence they can be added. Are adjacent angles. Adjacent means they have a common ray. We have already studied the definition of adjacent angles. You can see the earlier videos. Now look at the figure. Angle QOS, this angle. Angle QOS can be splitted in angle QOR and angle ROS or angle SOR. Since these two are adjacent angles, this QOS can be splitted in angle QOR and SOR. So again I am splitting this. These two I am writing as it is. Angle POS plus angle POQ plus angle QOS is splitted into QOR plus angle SOR is equal to 360 degrees. This also I can split. Reason is QOR and SOR are adjacent angles. Angle QOR and angle SOR are adjacent angles. So they can be added as well as separated. Adjacent angles. They have one common ray and uncommon ray is opposite. It is to the either side of the common ray. Now look at what was asked. POQ is here. Then QOR is here. SOR is here, and POS is written first. So you will see that this plus this plus this plus this is equal to 360. Hence I can say that angle POQ plus QR plus SOR plus POS is 360. Therefore I can say that angle POQ plus angle POQ plus angle QOR plus angle SOR plus angle POS is equal to 360 degrees. Hence we have proved. Hence proof.